Hello everyone, we are at Beyond the Formula. Let's study that why electric potential is relative. Suppose I have 2 points. We have 2 points A and B. This is point A, this is point B, right? Now if I say point A is at 10 volts, point A is at 10 volts. I say that point A is at 10 volts potential. Now is this statement complete or not? Is that statement complete or not? So the answer would be no. This is incomplete statement. Incomplete statement. This is an incomplete statement, right? Let's understand why. Suppose I say this is a ground, this is ground, and we have, suppose I say this height, right? This height. I have a point here, say P. Now I say that point P is at 500 meters. Point P is at 500 meters, right? Or I say that point P is 500 meters high. Point P is 500 meter high. Now again, is it complete? Is it a complete sentence? No. Again, no. 500 meters above what? 500 meters above what? This is the big question. Above sea level, above ground level, what is the reference here? So if I say that point P is 500 meters high above ground level. Now we have a complete statement. So here what we can conclude is height is relative. Height is relative, right? Now another example. If I say I have a battery here, this is a battery, right? If I say this is a 12 volt battery, this is a 12 volts battery. So if I say this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, right? Now if I say positive terminal is at 12 volts, positive terminal is at 12 volts with respect to negative terminal. Positive terminal is at 12 volts with respect to negative terminal. So if I say that if negative terminal is at 0 volts, then positive terminal will be at 12 volts, right? Now if I choose positive terminal as 0 volts. Now if I choose positive terminal as 0 volts, so now what will happen? Now negative terminal will come at minus 12 volts, right? Now negative terminal will come at minus 12 volts. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. The battery is similar. We have 0 volts here. Then negative terminal as minus 12 volts, which make the battery as 12 volts battery, right? Nothing has changed. Battery is same. Everything is same. Only what we have changed is we have only changed what? Only the reference. Only the reference is changed, right? This is the most important thing here, correct? Similar goes for potential. Potential is always relative. So we have what? We have point A at 10 volts. Now this has to be with some respect. So if I say point B is at 0 volts, then we can say that point A is at 10 volts with respect to B, or with respect to point V, correct? So there is no such thing as an absolute electric potential. There is no such thing as absolute electric potential, correct? Every potential value is measured relative to chosen reference point, right? Every potential value is measured with respect to a chosen reference point, correct? Thanks.